As millions of people around the world watch this saga unfold, our team coverage turns to what's next tonight. We know this is likely heading to trial, and so far we know 2 of the 3 arrested are expected to post bond tomorrow.
Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Matthew Campbell is here now to break down what the suspects, the police, and the public can expect in the weeks and months going forward. Matthew.
Well, Aaron and Mark, just because arrests were made, the work is not over for police, not by a long shot. We also learned the extent of the freedoms for those who post bond, and there is still one crucial piece of evidence that can still sway this case.
It took 8 months for murder charges to be brought in the disappearance of mother of 5 Jennifer Dulos, so we've seen that investigators are meticulous in gathering evidence. The warrants released yesterday lay out everything state police have so far, but they're still digging.
Absolutely, they're still investigating. You know, you see a TV show when an arrest is made and you think that's the end of it. The show's over, case closed. That is not the case here. There's still more work to do.
Eyewitness News law enforcement analyst J. Paul Vance says so far in making its case, the state has relied on DNA evidence and physical evidence like bloody clothes and gloves that Dulos and Troconis are believed to have dumped. But legal and law experts agree the most critical piece of evidence for either side is Jennifer's body.
I think it's frustrating that that hasn't been discovered yet, and we haven't been able to answer that question yet. But I think that investigators haven't given up. They are working.
While that hunt continues, it's likely that Dulos and Troconis will post their bonds tomorrow. Judge John Blowy putting both under house arrest, and today we learned that does not mean Dulos can roam his sprawling Farmington property.
4 walls of the home, if you will. The home itself is where you must stay. You must maintain your existence there.
Dulos and Troconis aren't allowed contact with each other or with the third person arrested, attorney Kent Mawhinney. Dulos also cannot contact his children. Tonight, his home empty, but in front, this bouquet of flowers and a candle, a reminder of the tragedy that brought us to this point.
There's a family out there that needs closure. There are children that need closure. And certainly investigators want to do anything and everything they possibly can to bring that closure for the families.
Now, after Dulos and Troconis post bonds tomorrow, we may not see a lot until next month. That's when they appear in court next. We're going to stay on top of this every step of the way. But for now, live in the newsroom, Matthew Campbell, Channel 3 News.